In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move a OneNote notebook to another account on Windows, step by step, without getting lost in the process. This is super helpful if you're switching Microsoft accounts, moving work notes to a personal account, or simply reorganizing your notebooks so everything lives in the right place. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the OneNote desktop application on your Windows PC. We're using the desktop version here because it gives you access to the file and export options you'll need for this process. Once OneNote opens, look to the top left corner and click File. From there, select Account. This area shows the Microsoft accounts and connected services currently linked to your app. Now look for the Connected Services section. Under that section, click Add a Service, then choose Storage, and then select OneDrive. This is where you'll connect the destination Microsoft account, which is the account you want to move the notebook to. Go ahead and sign in with that new Microsoft account. Make sure this is the correct destination account because this is where the notebook will eventually be saved and synced. Once you finish signing in, you should now see both your old OneDrive account and your new OneDrive account listed as connected services. That means OneNote can access both locations, which is exactly what we need before moving the notebook. Next, open the notebook you want to move from your old account. Before exporting anything, it's very important to make sure the notebook is fully synced. To do that, right-click the notebook name and select Sync this notebook now. Give it a moment to finish syncing so you know the latest version is saved. This step matters because you don't want to export an outdated copy by accident. After the notebook is fully synced, click File again and choose Export. In the Export window, under 1, Export Current, select Notebook, then under 2, select Format, choose OneNote Package, OneNote Package. This package format is the key to moving the notebook because it creates a complete copy of the notebook that can be imported elsewhere. Once that's selected, click Export. Choose a temporary folder on your computer, like your desktop, so it's easy to find the file later. Then click Save. OneNote will now create the package file for your notebook. After the export is complete, close the original notebook in OneNote. You can do that by right-clicking the notebook name and selecting Close this notebook. This helps keep things organized and avoids confusion when you reopen the exported version. Now go to your desktop or wherever you saved the file and double-click the .npkk file you just created. This will launch the Unpack notebook will appear. Here, you'll need to name the notebook and choose where it should be saved. Click Browse to change the saving destination. In the file window that opens, select the OneDrive folder connected to your new Microsoft account. This is the important step that tells OneNote to place the notebook in the destination account instead of the original one. Once you've selected the new OneDrive location, click Create. OneNote will unpack the notebook and begin syncing it to the new account. Now all you need to do is wait a few minutes for everything to fully sync. Depending on the size of the notebook and your internet speed, this may take a little time, so be patient and let the sync finish completely. Once it's done, your notebook will be available in the new OneDrive account and you'll have successfully moved it. That's the full process for moving a OneNote notebook to another account on Windows. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another OneNote task. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.